Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 in Oracle VirtualBox for cybersecurity lab testing, or you can say testbed. Windows 11 evaluation, you can find it in Microsoft Evaluation Center, Eval Center. You have to search evaluation or Eval Center and you will find this link. You have to go to Windows and here you will find Windows 11 Enterprise. If you want Windows Server also, you will find Windows Server from 19 onwards. Latest is Windows Server 2025. The evaluation, you don't have any need to have any trial keys, but you can actually use it for 3 months up to 6 months. You can extend. Now I will go to Windows 11 Enterprise and I can download. So when you click on this link, it will open this evaluation form. So you need to give your details or any random information and then click on download. Once you click on download the ISO file, this page you will see actually. So we need to install the English United States, your choice, Great Britain. Like you can click on the enterprise download. So once you click on enterprise download, the ISO file will start downloading. As you can see, it's around 6.6 gigabyte. So we will pause the video and stop it because I have done this step already. So I already have this ISO file, and then after downloading I moved my ISO file to this particular E drive in VirtualBox directory. Now I need this link actually. We will open Oracle VirtualBox by double clicking and you will see this Oracle VirtualBox. Now we have to go to Oracle. Here you can see I have already created or configured, set up some test beds for testing, learning cybersecurity skills, and I want to start new one. And here I will write Windows 11, and then the virtual folder you can change actually. So for me, I am using it in a different location, which is in E drive, to save my space. Otherwise it will actually eat up your C drive. So I have extra space in E drive, so I'm going to use this virtual machine folder. And next I need to actually check this proceed with I need to select the ISO file now. Next, it's located again in my this virtual box folder. So this is my ISO file. This one is server actually. So this is my Windows 11. So I already downloaded Windows Server 2025 as well earlier, and this is my Windows 11 machine, which is around 6.60 gigabytes. So I'm selecting this. Now I'm going to select proceed with unattended installation. And here I'm seeing something actually, so maybe like I need to change this. So here it says hostname should be at least 2 characters long. I think they don't allow space. Allow characters are alphanumeric hyphen dot. The hostname should be at least 2 characters. Oh, so I think if I give a space, it's not taking actually. Windows 11. Okay, that's okay for me. Next, it is asking for username and password actually. So we can skip that also actually. If we don't use the proceed with unattended installation, we can skip that actually, right? So now we are going to proceed, and then start. I'll pause the video in between to save time actually. If you want unattended installation, you need to actually give your username and password. That's it. Then you start the machine. But I unchecked that option, and now actually booting up. As you can see, the installation process will start now. And it's asking press any key to boot from the CD. I pressed enter. And then in between I will pause the video also, as I said, and you can watch the video 2x as well if you can watch. So because the installation steps, I don't want to miss anything, any part, so that you can observe everything, see it in the video. So now I'm going to select next, keyboard okay, next, install, I agree, and next. Then I'll just wait. Next I have to agree this and accept, and then I'm going to click on next, and then click on install. Now as you can see, installing Windows 11. PC will restart several times. This might take a while. 9% complete. So I'll just pause the video now. Okay, so you can see it's progressing now. 23% complete. So you can see now it rebooted, and now we are installing at 42%. Okay, so we can see it's almost done, and we are going to wait just a moment. Okay, so it's almost done, and you can see now we are presented with this to select our country. So we are going to select it's up to you, like you can go ahead with your real country or like just USA. Click on yes, and we are done. Actually not done, this far actually. So far it's all good. Next we need to select the keyboard actually, so you're going with the US, then skip for the layout part. But we are going to use this Windows 11 machine as a test bed, and we're going to attack, and also maybe for defensive security we're going to collect logs from this Windows 11. We're going to attack this, so we're going to do a lot of things. So it's good to have a Windows machine in as a test bed in VirtualBox. You can use VMware as well, but I'm using VirtualBox now. Checking for updates actually. You can disable internet also while installing. One thing is that it won't check for update, and it won't take much time also. So that thing you can do. But for so what is the network I have to check? So I use NAT actually. So internet connectivity is there, so that is why it's asking for update or checking for update. So you can use a host only adapter instead, so it won't take that much time actually, and it will won't check for updates. I'll pause the video again. Okay, so what I did, guys, was I think you should use the unattended installation and give your username and password so that it doesn't check for updates, and change the network to host only. So what I did was, while it was checking for update, I quickly changed from net to host only. Then the internet connectivity was broken, and then I was able to see this screen as soon as possible. Otherwise it would take me more time. So it's up to you. That way we can. So now we are going to enter my name actually here as Windows 11. Or you can give any name actually, VAPT or like a test machine. Now I'm going to give my password here. And confirm password. Click next. Then choose your security question. Here you can give anything actually. It's asking for all the security questions actually. So we are done. Now proceeding. Okay, so privacy, here we are going with the next, whatever was included. With this you can disable diagnostic data, send info about the website you browse and all that. And accept. Anyway, this machine is going to be isolated, like won't connect with the internet. So anyway, so we can go with the default, and now you can see it's booting up. And then we can use this machine for different tests as part of this ethical hacking course. Not supposed to turn off the machine. Okay, as you can see, it's done actually. So we were able to successfully install Windows 11. And this part is not full screen, as you can see. We're not able to. What we can do is insert GACE edition CD image, and then going to the file explorer. And in file explorer we're going to C drive, this PC, and in this PC you should see that VirtualBox GACE edition. Now we're going to double click here. And we're going to install GACE edition. Gonna be AMD 64-bit. Double click and install it. So we can give 8 GB RAM if you have, otherwise 4 GB is also fine. So for this machine, let me check this 4 GB or 8 GB, otherwise it can lag actually, right? So you can see it's 4 GB as of now, so it's still working fine. And need to install the guest edition. Soon it should pop up. Yeah, user account control, yes, it should start installing guest edition, and then we are going to proceed with the next steps. Almost done. After this step, we can start using our Windows 11 testbed. So you can see the graphic improved after we started installing, and it's almost done actually due to the guest edition. The setup is almost complete. Now I want to reboot now, and we are almost done. And after this, we are going to end the video and proceed with the other tutorials related to the ethical hacking lab, the test bed that we want for practicing different tools and different techniques and procedures used by adversaries as part of the skill development, so that we become competent in ethical hacking and independently perform VAPT for our clients, right? So yeah, Windows 11 is also one important operating system to be included in our test bed. So as you can see, we are rebooting the system, and then we can start using. So if we still we're not seeing it as a full screen, we'll insert Control Alt Delete, then we can log in as with our password. Okay. Okay, it's done.